Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the design of social media icons in Wix. This is a great way to match your icons with your website style and branding. Let's get started. On the Wix editing dashboard, if we want to edit our icons, we can add another icon alongside the ones already there. We will now add this. We can add social media icons by clicking Add Elements, then go to Embed and Social, and then choose Social Media Bars. Once we are here, we just need to choose the social media bar we want to use. For example, let's select this colorful one. Let's add this one here as an example. If we want to change the social media icons, all we need to do is double-click the social bar. Here, we can remove or replace the icons. We can remove the icons and replace them with different ones if we want. By adding icons here, we can upload icons from our computer or laptop. Just upload them here. After that, click Done, and the new icons will be added and replaced. That's how we change the design of social media icons in Wix. With this simple change, we can create a more consistent and visually appealing website.